Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made Betty Crocker's mug treats. Mix together 20 ml milk or water and 1 pouch brownie mix in a microwave safe mug with a spoon for 1 minute or until the batter is smooth. Ensure brownie mix is well blended by running a spoon along the bottom mug edge. You can also add some walnuts if you like. Microwave for 1 minute 10 seconds. Top it with Hershey's chocolate flavored syrup after removing the mug. Cool for 2 minutes and your delicious treat is ready to eat.